Want to keep your Ninja Woodfire pizza stone from cracking? Many stone cracks happen because of how they're cleaned, not how they're baked. Do this right, and your stone will last longer and perform better. Step 1. Let the stone cool completely. Never clean a hot stone. Sudden temperature changes can crack it. Wait until it's fully room temperature before touching or cleaning. Ideally, let it cool overnight or right inside the turned off oven to avoid thermal shock. Step 2. Skip water and soap sink into the stone. That weakens it and can affect flavor. If you must introduce moisture, dab with a damp cloth, but always let it dry completely. 24 hours is best before the next use. Step 3. Scrape first. Wipe lightly if needed. Use a non-metal scraper or stone-safe brush to clear stuck bits. I've linked the scraper I use below. It clears residue without scratching or stressing the stone. Only use a light wipe with a damp cloth if absolutely necessary. Water and pizza stones are a bad combination. Step 4. Deep clean only when necessary. For tough stains, mix baking soda and water into a paste. Scrub gently with a nylon brush, then air dry fully. Or burn off residue as needed by baking the stone at about 500 Fahrenheit for an hour, a one-off method to clean without scrubbing. Step 5. Store dry and don't use metal tools. After cleaning, store the stone in a dry place, ideally inside the oven. Don't stack heavy items on it, and avoid metal tools to prevent scratching or stress cracks. If this helped you clean your pizza stone the right way, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a scraper made specifically for pizza stones, I've linked the one I use below. Safe, durable, and keeps your stone crack-free. Thanks for watching, and keep your stone solid.